Good afternoon, student. This is class 5th science. Let us continue chapter 3. Joints. Joints are the area where two or more bones meet. Joints are the place where two bones are joined together in our body. Joints can be movable, capable of being moved, or immovable, not able to be moved. Most joints are movable. Each movable joint move in certain direction and in a different way. Immovable joint joints are those not do not allow movement or allow for only very slight movement are called immovable joint. Our skull is the best example of immovable joint. Feel your head. Your skull may feel and look like one big bone, but it has several bones joined together to give it a shape. A fixed joint, as the name indicates means point out or show, and several means more than two but not many, moves little. Fixed joints have only small space between them. This space provide cushion between the bones to tolerate. Tolerate means allow the existence, occurrence, or practice of something that one dislikes or disagree with without interference. Certain blows of the to the head. Movable joint. Movable joints refers to the joint that are capable of moving in a variety of directions. Such example include the knee joint, elbow joint, wrist joint, shoulder joint, hip joint, and ankle joints. These joints provide free movement to the body. These joints are covered with a strong tissue called cartilage. Cartilage is a strong, flexible, fibrous tissue that takes many forms and serves many purposes throughout the body, which prevents the bones rubbing against prevents keep something from happening, and against means in opposition to each other. The main types of movable joint in our body are: number 1, ball and socket joint; number 2, hinge joint; number 3, pivot joint; and number 4, gliding joint. Ball and socket joint. A ball and socket joint allow the bones to move easily in a large circle. This joint is formed by the round end of a long bone fitting into a long hole or socket of another bone. Our shoulder is an example of ball and socket joint. Look at the picture. Ball and socket joint, hip joint and shoulder joint. Hip joint is also an example of ball and socket joint. The upper end of the arm bone has round end fitted in the socket of shoulder bone. The hip joint also has ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint are joint in which the round end of a bone fits into the cavity of another bones. The hip joint is a ball and socket joint. Okay. Next, hinge joint. Hinge joint, it is a common class of joint that includes the ankle, elbow, and knees joint. Hinge joint are formed between two or more bones, where the bones can only move along one axis to fix or extend. Feel your knee, how it is moved while you walk or sit on a chair. Moves differently. A hinge joint allow movement only in back. The fourth direction act just like a hinge of a door. The elbow also has a hinge joint. Look at the picture. Hinge joint, elbow joint, and knee joint. These are the example of hinge joint. Next, Pivot joint also called as rotatory joint, a freely movable joint that allow only rotatory movement around a single axis. This moving bone rotates within a ring that is formed from a second bone. It is found in the neck. Where is it? It is found in the neck. It lets you turn your head. You can move your head in semicircle. You can move your head in semicircle. You can also move your head in up and down movement. Pivot joint. There is pivot joint present in our neck. With the help of pivot joint, we are move our neck side by side and up and down. Next, come on to the next page. Gliding joint. It allows movement. Gliding joint formed between the bones that meet at flat or nearly flat articular surface. Gliding joint allow the bones to glide past one another in any direction along the plane of the joint, up and down, left and right, and diagonally. It allows movement between the connecting bones like wrist, ankle, or the vertebrae of the spine. Ligament. A gliding joint present in our ankle joint and wrist joint. Next, ligaments. A ligament is a fibrous connective tissue that connects bones to other bone. All joints have ligaments. Ligaments are the strong and tough fiber which hold the bones together at the joint. A ligament looks like a stretchable capable of resuming original shape after stretching or compression. Cord that connects one bone to another axis a joint. Ligaments also protect joint by checking the movement of bones.